In this video, I'll show you how to send Mailchimp emails through Gmail. Now, a way for you to send your Mailchimp emails through Gmail is to verify Gmail as a domain within your email. And to do that, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on your profile. Now, at the bottom of your profile, head over to the bottom and click on Profile. That will take you to the overview of your profile. From here, head over to the top and the fourth option. This will be the fourth tab, which is Domains. Now, below Domains at the bottom, you will automatically see that Gmail is considered as a public domain. If you haven't had Gmail at the top, if you click on Add and Verify Domain, you can just simply add it in here. However, you do not need to verify public email domains like Proton, Gmail, and Outlook. Now, once you have your domain, the next step is to send your campaigns, but we do have to change a setting. So on the left-hand side, head over to the second option, which is Campaigns. Once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to send. This will be my newsletter. Now on the right-hand side of that campaign, head over to the action section, and then at the bottom, click on the edit button. Once you click on edit, it will take you to the settings of your campaign. From here, you will automatically see that at the bottom, you have here gmail.com. Now, whenever you create an email address, make sure that this is set as @gmail.com. And you do want to set this as your default if you do want to send your emails from Mailchimp. And once you have your Gmail email address set in here, at the bottom, if you click on Save, it will automatically look exactly like this. So whenever they want to reply or whenever they want to send you an email, it will automatically show at gmail.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.